My name is Carmen Soraya Kelly. I'm the founder of the Gloves Are On charity, and I'm also in a safeguarding role within Cardiff West Community High School.
I work for South Wales Police and professionally met Soraya when she brought us into some of her activities that she's doing in the community. So I've seen Soraya create inclusivity in everything that she does. It threads through everything that she does and the programs that she runs.
To be able to give these young people a voice, but more importantly helping these young people to be heard, is my focus. And I come from a similar background to these young people, and I've walked in their shoes, and I know what hard work and having somebody to believe in you, number one, and somebody that you can go to can really help make the difference.
Years ago, when I started in year 7, I was quite anxious, and now I feel like I can speak more, I can put myself out there, and she's just helped me become an overall more confident person.
She puts her heart and soul into it, and I think that's the benefit that the children see at the end of it.
I'd just like to say thank you for everything that you've done for me and my friends and all the young people in this school. You are an amazing person and one of the bubbliest people I've ever met.